Oh yeah, this is my buddy. Buddy. I've been taking good care of her for a few years now. She runs right. She's had some repairs, but she runs right. Trying to keep her nice and clean and whatnot. She's a beaut, ain't she? Okay, YouTube, we have the gate laid out. We're about to start cutting little pieces to go in between, and then we're going to do these cutouts out of it. I'm going to come over into this gate. Fucking YouTube. Can y'all see that? Oh, there's a couple hairs on it. Oh. Got me right in the freaking elbow. Shit. Oh, that's creepy as fuck. Ugh. Alright, we are done welding. We've got everything welded into place, and we're about to cut these boxes out. And then cut out a space right here to put the door locks. And we'll proceed on. They're going to weld the hinges on out there, so I don't have to do all that. That's it. We'll send it off to the grinder, and after we flip it over, weld it. Put the boxes in, and I'll show you how we're going to do that. This is simple. Alright, we've added our lock box. We're cutting these in half where we have to put the two pickets out to let some stress off so that we don't get the saws all jammed up. It's kind of hard to cut with the plasma to keep it super straight and this thin stuff. So we're going to do that, and then we'll start installing these boxes where we cut these. I'm just going to go ahead and start cutting them. Using magnets, and I got a T-bar tool. It's a nice aluminum one. I bought it for like $7. To pull these up flat, since we're getting a little bow in the panel this way. And I know a lot of people use square magnets, but it's just a lot easier to do it with this and a speed square on this stuff. We're gonna put these up. Coming together. Now we gotta cut the plate for right here. It's gonna resemble kind of this one right just over there. You ready? Okay. Nice.
Speaking of Valentine's Day, the El Paso Zoo is offering the perfect Valentine's gift for anyone who thinks their ex is a low, disgusting form of
just massaging out the curve.
on social media to name a cockroach after their ex. And actually, cockroaches are on the
Alright, YouTube, we just finished welding it up. Here it is overall with the plates in the door. Pretty cool.